Hi everyone, how are you all? This is CB Homangto. Today I am going to talk about Jacobean era, 24th March 1603, 27th March 1625. Jacobean era is the a period in English and Scottish history which coincides the reign of James VI of Scotland, uh, who inherited the crown of England in 1603 as James I. The Jacobean era succeeds the Elizabethan era and precedes the Caroline era. The term Jacobean is often used for the distinctive architecture, visual arts, decorative arts, and literature uh, which characterized that period. Jacobean era 1603 to 1625, the monarch was James VI and James I. James as a king, the formal unification of England and Scotland under one ruler is the important power shift of uh, order for both nations, which they would shape their existence in the present day. And another development and uh, the crucial significance is the foundation of first British colonies on North American continent. mm, uh, Newfoundland, Virginia in 1607, and Newfoundland in 1610, and Plymouth colony in Massachusetts in 1620, and which further laid the foundation of British settlement and uh, the formal unification of Canada and United States of America. And then uh, by 1609, the Parliament of Scotland began the plantation of Ulster. The notable event happened on uh, of James' reign on 5th of November 1605. On that date, uh, the group of English Catholics, including Guy Fawkes, uh, who attempted to assassinate the king and destroy Parliament in the Palace of Westminster. However, the gunpowder was exposed and the uh, convicted plotters were hanged, drawn, and quartered. The historians have long debate over the curious characteristics of the king's ruling style, and the in literature, the William Shakespeare's most prominent plays, uh, King Lear 1605, Macbeth 1606, and The Tempest 1610 were written during the reign of James I, and most powerful works of John Webster, Thomas Middleton, and John Ford, and were written, and the uh, Ben Jonson, whose best poetry of the era, who contributed his best poetry during the era, and along with together with the Cavalier poets and John Donne, and the most representative works found in those of the Francis Bacon and King James Bible. And in 1617, George Chapman, who completed his monumental translation of the Iliad's Homer's Iliad and Odyssey completed. It's in the Western canon in the English language, and the James VI was deeply in debt in Scotland, and after he inherited the English debt of uh, 3,50,000 pounds from Elizabeth after 1603. By 1608, the debt had risen to 1,40,000 pounds annually through the crash program of selling royal demesnes. The Lord Treasurer Robert Cecil, who reduced the debt 3 lakh pounds and annual deficit to 46,000 pounds by 1610. Due to failed negotiation with the parliament, and the situation deteriorated during the reign of James and his son and heir Charles until the English Civil War, and the Jacobean era ended with the severe economic depression 1620 to 1625, complicated to the serious outbreak of bubonic plague in London in 1625. The James who told himself the Rex Pacificus, the king of peace, he devoted to the peace and peace lover, and then he made peace with the Catholic of Spain, and he made his decision to marry his daughter to the uh, Spanish prince, and marriage of his daughter Elizabeth to Frederick V, Elector Palatine, 14th February 1613. It was the more than the social event of the era. So this was the information from my side. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon, which motivates me to make new videos. Till then, bye bye, take care of you.